Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start exercise 9.2 that is based upon the differentiation. Now the questions are very much simple. Now here the question is, verify given function is a solution of the corresponding differential equation. We have to check either this is a solution of this. Simply we have to say if this is satisfying this, then we can say this is the solution of this. Now here y equal to e raised to power x plus 1 is the solution of y double dash means second derivative minus y dash means first derivative equal to 0. Now from the given function we will find out the value that are required in the equation 2. Now we will find out the value of y dash and we will find out the value of y double dash and put it in the given equation. If it is satisfied, then this is a solution of this. Now here y equal to e raised to power x plus 1, therefore y dash is again e raised to power x plus 1 and y double dash equal to e raised to power x plus 1. Putting these values in the given equation, when we put the value of y dash and y double dash in the equation 2, then this equation is satisfied, that these terms will be cancelled. So this is equal to 0. So we can say 1 is the solution of 2. This is all about this question. Now let us see the next question. Now simply xy equal to log y plus c. We have to check either this is the solution of this, only it is required y dash. So from the given function we will find out the value of what? Y dash. Differentiating 1 both sides with respect to x. Now it become when we are going to differentiate x into y, then it is what? The derivative of x is 1, second function as it is, plus x as it is, derivative of y dy by dx is equal to the derivative of log y is 1 upon y dy by dx, the derivative of c is 0. Then collecting all the like terms, so we are getting here dy by dx equal to y square upon 1 minus xy, and that we have to require to prove. So from this we are getting the derivative that is given in the questions, both are the same. So we can say this is the solution of this, or we can say hence proved. Now simply the next question is x plus y equal to tan inverse y, and we have to prove this is the solution of this. Again from the given function we will find out what? Y dash means dy by dx. Differentiating 1 with respect to x, we are getting 1 plus dy by dx equal to 1 upon 1 plus y square into dy by dx. Simplifying, we are getting dy by dx equal to 1 plus y square upon minus y square. Now putting all the values in the given differential equation, we are getting here y square as it is, putting the value of y dash here, plus y square plus 1. So when we put this value, simplify, these terms will be cancelled out and we are getting the right hand side equal to, so when we simplify you are getting that is equal to 0, and that is our right hand side. So we can say this is the solution of this. Now verify y equal to a cos x plus b sin x is the solution of this. This type of questions are always important. Now here we have to verify this is the solution of this. We will find out the first derivative, we will find out the second derivative. When we are finding the first derivative, y dash equal to minus a sin x plus b cos x, then again we are finding the second derivative is what? Minus a cos x minus b sin x. Taking minus common, it is what? A cos x plus b sin x. Again this is the value of y, so we are getting here y double dash equal to minus y. This implies y double dash plus y equal to 0, that you have to proved. So we can say this is the solution of this. This is all about the question of this very exercise, and here in this exercise question number 11, 12, these are not in the syllabus. Now along this exercise you have to complete this very unit. This is all about today.